Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast, and we have a very impressive storm system moving through New York State here, and you can kind of see the clockwise fashion here. Warm southerly flow coming in across New England, but it's already starting to come out of the southwest across the mid-Atlantic, and we're seeing temperatures drop as a result. Temperatures back down into the 30s in Philly, New York, and that will sweep across Connecticut here this afternoon and into Rhode Island and Massachusetts. It is snow still up to the north, and we've seen some pretty impressive amounts. Let's take a look. You see the legend right here, and you can notice not a lot of snow in eastern Mass, none in southern Connecticut, none in Long Island, none in eastern Jersey. However, just inland, as expected here, a couple inches, New York to Philly. Furthest south, I saw in Connecticut, 3 inches in Shelton, 3 inches, 2 inches as well in Hope Valley, Rhode Island. And then you move up. A lot of 1 to 3 inch amounts in the Providence area. We did see, you see here, you move up into Vermont, New Hampshire, and northwest Mass, 6 to 12 inches of snow. We continue to see that snow fall here this afternoon. The Lehigh Valley, 2 to 4 inches fell, 4 to 8 in the Poconos, and anywhere from 6 to as much as, in some cases, 12 to 14 inches in parts of the southern tier of New York. So all in all, pretty close to plan. Real no surprises as of yet. But again, not done yet. We still have snow falling across the majority of New England and Western New York, and this will continue to pinwheel around through the remainder of today. So the other big story here is obviously the wind. The wind is relentless, and it's going to continue to be that way. The heaviest winds, though, are this morning, because what's happening as this burst of precipitation moves through, that's where the strongest easterly winds are across New England. Those are occurring now. They will subside a little bit this afternoon. Still strong, but nothing like this morning, okay? Now, this afternoon, winds are going to flip out of the northwest, and they're still going to be gusty overnight. We're still expecting 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts everywhere. Doesn't matter if you're at the tip top of Mount Washington or along the coast in Rhode Island. It's all going to be the same. 20 to 40, and then into the day tomorrow, it looks windy as well. Impactful winds, 25, 40, 45 locally through the day on Tuesday. And you couple that with the temperatures we're going to be seeing. Temperatures single digits in teens north, 20s to near 30s south. The apparent temperatures for Tuesday are 20s and teens south, single digits above and below zero to the north. So a very cold Tuesday. But what we're going to see here is this precipitation is going to start to really dwindle this evening. We may see a few flurries and snow showers as far south as New York City, southern Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts this evening. But look at the temps. The temps are still close to freezing or even above freezing during the evening as that falls. However, it's clear as day here. As typical with these storms, any standing water will freeze overnight tonight. That's the most important part of this forecast along the coast. Temperatures well down into the 20s by Tuesday morning. Now, precipitation-wise, snow showers will continue Tuesday morning. Northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, parts of the Catskills and Adirondacks. Lake effect snow getting going during the day in western New York and PA. Precipitation will end across New England during the day, and conditions will improve Tuesday night into Wednesday as those winds start to subside. Wednesday looks like some snow showers far north. For the rest of us, really not too much happening, but a cold front will arrive Wednesday night. And you wonder why I'm looking at this view and not our typical New England view. Well, this is why for Saturday. We'll get to that in a second. But again, Wednesday looks to offer just a little bit of rain or snow shower activity Wednesday night. Temperatures Wednesday night, you notice, still pretty warm. This is Thursday morning at 7 a.m. It's still in the 30s along the coast. So anything that falls during that time frame does look to be rain. Now, as this front passes to our south Thursday, we will cool off. Thursday sees dropping temperatures in most areas. A very cold Thursday night is expected, and at the same time, as this high pressure really gets cranking, that's going to lock in the cold, and then it's just a matter of where this coastal storm goes. The new European model actually brings it up the coast in the form of a light to moderate snow event along the coast, dry inland. You look at the GFS, however, same time frame, during the day Saturday, you notice it's well off the coast here. So there's still some uncertainty how far northwest this kicks. But what intrigues me is when you look at the ensembles from the European model, you notice there's quite a few members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So about a third of the members are showing snowfall along the coast with a meaningful storm system. When you look at the mean, you notice, you see that precipitation along the coast. You see it? There it is. That's enough to be concerning to me. Friday night into Saturday. Okay. Still some timing differences, and obviously the track is very uncertain, but the next risk outside of that midweek thing will come Friday night through Saturday night via this coastal storm. So that is what we're going to be watching for as we move forward. So real quick, I do want to just take a look here at temperatures for us, just to take us through this week. It's the middle of January, and we're going to feel like it tomorrow. Teens and 20s and 30s. A little bit warmer, though, for Wednesday, then colder Thursday, Friday. And then Saturday, notice if that storm were to impact us, temperatures are cold enough, likely that most of this would fall in the form of snow. So we'll continue to watch that as we move forward. And it looks like right into next week, a lot of cold weather still to be found. Teens, 20s, and 30s. Pretty chilly, even for the end of January. So that's what we have for you. Enjoy the snow today. Stay safe with those winds, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.